Guys, I'm excited. We're talking back to basics, moving across the African savanna landscapes, carrying only what you need and not what you want. And I know you started packing your bag way before the trail actually begins. So I'd like to give you a few hacks on how and what to pack in your bag. Firstly, it's really great to try and distribute your weight as evenly as possible to maintain that center of gravity. The bag that I've chosen is 55 liters. It opens from the front. It has great back support, straps that adjust and fit to my body, and additional pockets that work well for me. So at the bottom of your bag, it's a great place to put lightweight items that you don't need access to throughout the day. That includes my clothing and all my sleeping gear. Using packing cubes or dry bags works really well to just compartmentalize your items and keep them dry. So in my clothing cube, I've got one set of nighttime clothing and a set of daytime clothing, which I'm currently in. An inflatable pillow, which some trailers swear by. A pair of open shoes for when we get to camp in the late afternoons. And a head torch for when the sun goes down. I've got a summer sleeping bag and a bivy bag. A bivy bag is a waterproof bag that your sleeping bag goes into. This acts as an extra protective layer against the weather elements and keeps you dry and warm at night. But don't worry, this is a piece of gear that we will give you at the start of your trail. An inflatable mattress, which is a treat when you're comfortable and snug in bed, looking up and counting stars instead of sheep to fall asleep. This middle compartment is a great place to pack all of your heavier items. When it comes to food and snacks, here's a hack. Using a Tupperware or empty ice cream containers is a great way to organize your food, avoid anything from getting crushed, and fresh food from being bruised. Cooking equipment, which includes a Dixie pan, which is used as a pot, a gas canister, a gas stove top attachment, a spork, and a little cloth to tidy up when you're done. Don't forget a tin mug so you can enjoy a coffee watching the sunrise. I've also got a lightweight foldable chair, which you'll be really grateful for to have something to lean against after a long day of walking. This top section of your bag is the perfect place to pack any lightweight items that you might need quicker and easier access to. So in the top section of my bag, I've got a small toiletry bag. Keep it natural and biodegradable. In my toiletry bag, I've got a toothbrush, toothpaste, some sunscreen, a face cloth, and toilet paper for when nature calls, and a lighter to burn my evidence. A first aid kit. Both of the guides you'll be walking with will have a basic first aid kit, but if you have medical needs, it's best you pack your own. And my favorite item being my journal and pen to write down all the beautiful thoughts that cross your mind when you're out on trail. These side pockets are where my water bottle goes. There's a few reasons why I choose water bottles above hydration packs. Firstly, you're able to see and manage your water intake throughout the day. They are more reachable being on the outside of your bag as opposed to on the inside of your bag. And they're reliable because they can't burst. Another top tip is to get wide brim water bottles, which just makes water collection a lot easier. These extra pockets, my torpedo pouches, is where I like to put important odds and ends that I may need to reach for throughout the day. Like my compact rain jacket, because trust me, the day you choose not to pack it, it will rain. A waterproof bag cover to keep your bag dry from the evening dew. A puffer jacket, and a sarong that serves multiple purposes. If it's getting dressed behind a bush, using it as a towel, or wetting it and throwing it over your body to keep cool while we walk. And lastly, snacks, because who doesn't enjoy a good snack? Get creative with your trail mix and treat yourself to some fruit. And in my hip pocket, I have a small bottle of sunscreen to always have on hand. And don't forget your binoculars. They're great for spotting and viewing wildlife. I like to keep mine around my neck so that I don't lose them. And lastly, my ground sheet, which I pack at the top of my bag. Now, a lot of people make the mistake of packing too many clothes and too much food. So pack wise, pack simple, and you'll be ready to hit the trail like a true trail junkie.